What's up, my friends? Our whitelist for the BitRivals private sale is open and you have the chance to whitelist yourself for this awesome private sale. In today's video, I'm going to show you real quick how you can whitelist yourself, and after that I will recap BitRivals so that you have a little understanding about the project and why we think that it will become so successful in the future. In our last video, I did a whole presentation about the project. Today will be very briefly so that you know, okay, I can whitelist myself, and I know what's going on with the project. So if you check out our PEAKDEFI Launchpad, you can scroll down to our ongoing sale, and here you see BitRivals, and we have an allocation of $100,000 that we distribute to our community with a private sale. This is labeled here. So if you want to participate for that or with that, first of all, you need to stake Peak token. You have to click here to find more information about that. After that, you have to do the KYC, and then you can whitelist yourself. If you stake the Peak token and the KYC, you just click on BitRivals, and then you connect your wallet, and then you can click on this button to get whitelisted. And then you have to sign the transaction, and then you will be whitelisted for the special sale. We think that this is going to be a huge project in the future because they have like a very, very smart business idea that I'm going to show you in a second. And we will have 10% TGE and a 9-month linear vesting with this token. So you will get your tokens very soon because the TGE is supposed to happen like end of April, so very quick. So you don't have to wait like for months until you get access to your tokens. If you don't know what TGE is or the 9 months linear vesting, then I would recommend you checking out our second last video because there I explained the most important crypto launchpad terms. So let's jump to BitRivals. BitRivals is a gaming platform where they say you can get rewarded for playing your favorite video games. They already have a huge Twitter following with 90,000 followers, and if we check out their website, we can see that their idea is that you play games, you earn rival points, you enter raffles or tournaments, and then you can win prizes. So they want to get you to earn money while playing video games. And maybe you've heard it from other companies where you have to play specific games, but with BitRivals you can play not any game, but like a lot of games, and you can actually still earn some rival points. So how does it work? I'm gonna jump through the light paper real quick. I will skip like most of the slides, just focus on the most important ones. So the problem is most casual gamers will never make money playing video games, because usually you play a video game because you want to get entertained, you want to have some fun, you want to play with your friends, but you don't play video games because you want to make a living, because you want to earn money. And they want to change that. So there's different kind of games like free-to-play games, pay-to-win games, pay-to-play like regular games you have to purchase in the store and then you can play them. And also there's play-to-earn, and this is the genre that BitRivals is stepping into because they want to make most games play-to-earn alike, let's say it like this. So their idea is to bring together the best of free-to-play and play-to-earn in a single platform. This is an opportunity that they see and that they're aiming for. So yeah, video games have a huge following. We can see that they are 2.5 times the size of music and movie industry combined. So there's like a lot of like different people in the gaming industry and a lot of money involved as well. And the proposition of BitRivals is, what if gamers could earn crypto simply by playing their favorite video games? And that's their idea. So if you check out the most like favorite AAA games like PUBG, Fortnite, Valorant, or Call of Duty Warzone, for example, they have a lot of followers. They have like a lot of players which actively play those video games. And BitRivals has an idea, because all the data are public from these games. They have an idea where they can create a platform, the BitRivals platform. They gather all the data from the different games that are provided by their developers for free. And then they will reward you for playing these specific games. So there's like a lot of games that you can play that you probably already own if you're a video gamer. And you can earn like experience points and money from BitRivals if you just play your regular games. I think this is like the biggest like positive factor or advantage for BitRivals, because other platforms, they want you to play a specific game, like their play-to-earn game, and then their money is only usable within their economy in their game. And here you can play any of these games and still earn rival points and rival tokens. So I think that this is like a very, very smart business idea for all the video gamers. And if we think of all these players, if they all want to make some money while playing the regular games that they're already playing, BitRivals is opening up a whole new market of people to crypto. Because these are millions and if not like billions of people, like 2 billion people I think possible, who could join crypto if they get a hold of BitRivals and if this project is being successful. Because then if I make money playing video games, I tell my friends, hey, download this app or register on this platform and then play your video games later on with this platform combined or like connected, and then you will earn some money. Like I would tell my friends, and this is how they want to market their platform as well. So they have like the rival points and the rival tokens. Our sale here at PEAKDEFI is for the rival token. So you can get access to this token at a very good price because we have the private sale allocation with this exclusive price. And then there's also rival points, which you can get when you play the video games. But I want to jump further on where they show you how you can make some money. So if a new player joins BitRivals, you just like register on the platform, you get a BitRival character, you play your video games, and then you get rival points. Once you have a certain level with a character on BitRivals while playing your regular video games, you will get an NFT. And if you play video games while you have this special NFT, then you will also get some rival tokens as well, which you can use to sell for a real dollar or like for real money or other money, let's say other money, not real money. And then you can also expand the NFT lifespan, or you can like buy some loot in the loot store. So they have like a whole economy behind this token already. And new users, like all the users from these video games that are existing users, they can register on BitRivals and then they can start entering this cycle. They get in touch with crypto. If you don't have a crypto wallet, BitRivals provide you one. So they have like a lot of opportunities for a new adaptation for new players who haven't been in touch with crypto yet but want to get involved. So I think this is like one of the main unique selling points for them, how they want to access like the huge gaming market. And yeah, they also have raffles where you can win like real life prizes like headsets or mouses or a new computer or a new chair or something like that. Where you can, well, you have to use the tokens in order to get access to these raffles as well. And yeah, they have a lot of different ideas like an own exchange, like an own launchpad, and also like more about like different games, how they can adapt and integrate more games. But I just want to show you real quick the token allocation. So we are going to have a private sale allocation at BitRivals, which will be 12% of the total amount of the tokens, because the other ones will be for the rewards and for the staking and all the different other parts that are more important. And then if we check out this release schedule, we can see that the private sale will get 10% TGE. That's why we start here. And then we will get our tokens very early on compared to the public sale as well. But as a private sale investor, you will get a better price compared to the public sale, because the private sale will always be a lower price as the public sale. So this is why you get early access to the tokens earlier than other people here. And then at the same time with the public sale, but you will still have a better price. And this is why you should join our whitelist, because you get access to a very good price for a very good project and a very good token. And the TGE will be in a month. So you join now, you invest in a few days, and then end of April probably you will have your tokens in your wallet, and then the linear vesting starts. So you don't have to waste a lot of time. You just invest now, get the tokens, enjoy BitRivals, enjoy their growth and their platform, and then lean back and take the profits. So yeah, if you have any more questions about BitRivals or about the private sale, just let me know in the comments below. I would be happy to answer them. If not, I wish you a happy Easter and see ya. Bye bye.